Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, Python generally provides two versions for download, 32-bit and 64-bit. However, it's important to note that the latest versions of Python are often 64-bit, and the 32-bit versions may not be as commonly available for the latest releases. Additionally, Python 2.x has reached its end of life, and Python 3.x is the recommended version for new projects. That being said, if you still need a 32-bit version of Python for compatibility reasons, you may need to explore older releases. Here's a tutorial on downloading and installing Python 3.6, which was one of the last versions to provide 32-bit binaries, with a simple code example. Go to the Python download page, https://www.python.org/download/release, using your web browser. Scroll down to find Python 3.6, and click on View the full list of Python 3.6.x releases. Look for a 32-bit version for your operating system, Windows or Mac OS. For Windows, the file will likely have the x86 designation. Click on the installer link to download the Python 3.6 32-bit installer. Run the downloaded installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path during the installation. Click Install Now to start the installation. Open a command prompt, on Windows, or Terminal, on Mac OS. Type the following command and press Enter. This should display the installed Python version. It should be Python 3.6.x. Let's write a simple Python script to test your installation. Create a new file called hello.py and add the following code. Save the file. Open a command prompt or terminal. Navigate to the directory where you saved hello.py using the cd command. Run the script by typing. You should see the output Hello, Python 3.6, 32-bit. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded, installed, and tested Python 3.6, 32-bit. Keep in mind that using older versions may have security implications, so it's advisable to use the latest stable version whenever possible. ChatGPT. Certainly. Please note that as of my last knowledge update in January 2022, there might be changes or updates to the software and websites mentioned. Always refer to the official sources for the most up-to-date information. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language known for its simplicity and readability. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing Python 32-bit on your system. Before downloading Python, you need to determine whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. On Windows, you can check this by right-clicking on this PC or computer on your desktop or in File Explorer and selecting Properties. Look for the system type information to see if it's a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system. Open your web browser and go to the official Python website, https://www.python.org. Navigate to the Downloads section. Find the latest version of Python 32-bit for Windows. As of my last update, you might find it under the Looking for a Specific Release section or in the list of available downloads. Click on the download link to start the download. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, usually named something like Python x.x.x.exe where x.x.x represents the version number. Double-click the installer to launch it. In the Python installer, make sure to check the box that says Add Python x.x to path. This makes it easier to run Python from the command line. Click on the Install Now button. Open a command prompt or terminal. Type the following command and press Enter. This should display the installed Python version. Create a new text file and open it with a text editor, like Notepad. Enter the following simple Python script. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py. Open a command prompt or terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the Python script. Run the script by entering the following command. You should see the output Hello, Python. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded, installed, and verified Python 32-bit on your system. Now you can start exploring Python and building your own projects. ChatGPT